Hi folks, this is Luke here. I'm going to be showing you how to access the transactions for your campaigns when you're running a campaign here on FundMyComic. First thing you're going to do is be right up here on the front page, fundmycomic.com. Up in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see your name and your picture if you have one. Click on that. You're going to see My Campaigns under your dashboard. Click on My Campaigns. Under My Campaigns, you're going to see all the things that you have running on FundMyComic right now. So what you're going to want to do, we're going to go ahead and use this test campaign so that we don't show anyone's private information. You're going to go to Transactions. So you're going to choose Transactions right above that. It's going to bring you into this dashboard so that you can see all the transactions that you've made. One of the things that you're going to notice here is that you're going to have physical and digital rewards that are on here. You're going to see the last four of the card. The card is not on our file. The card is on file with Stripe, so that information you actually won't be able to access outside of the last four, just to reference in case your backers need it. You will be able to see their email address and their name. If they've purchased anything that's physical, it will pull up and they will have their address like this, and you can dismiss it. That's very helpful when it comes time to fulfill. So that is how you'll access that. But you also are able to export to a CSV file. So you'll just export that, and all of this information will be saved on a CSV file so that you can open that up as a spreadsheet and do your fulfillment from there. We do have a new update coming that's going to allow us to click these things and move them into a fulfilled status so that we can clear them off of our transaction list. But that is how you access the backers information on your campaigns.